In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your WooCommerce currency symbol set up quickly and easily. If you're running an online store using WooCommerce, choosing the right currency and its positioning is crucial for a seamless shopping experience for your customers. So let's dive right in and learn how to configure these settings to make sure your store displays the correct currency in the most suitable manner. First, you need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage most of your website's settings. From the dashboard, locate the WooCommerce section in the left-hand menu. Hover over it, and you'll see a list of options drop down. Click on Settings from this drop-down menu. Once you're in the WooCommerce settings, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the General tab to access the general settings for your store. As you scroll down the page, you'll find the Currency Options section. It's located right at the bottom of this page, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit to find it. This is where all the magic happens in terms of currency configuration. Here, you'll be able to tailor various aspects of your currency settings to suit your specific needs. The first option you'll see is Currency. Here, you can select the currency that you want your store to use. It's important to choose the currency that your primary target market uses or is most comfortable with, as this will facilitate a smoother transaction process for your customers. For instance, you could choose among options like USD, EUR, or even PHP, depending on your target audience. Next, you'll want to decide the currency position. This option allows you to configure where the currency symbol appears in relation to your prices. You can choose to have it on the left or right side of the number, and with or without a space between the currency symbol and the amount. Selecting the correct currency position ensures that your prices are displayed in a way that's familiar and readable to your customers. You'll also find options for the thousand separator and decimal separator. The thousand separator is used to delimit thousands in a number, enhancing readability, especially for larger amounts. Similarly, the decimal separator distinguishes the fractional part of a currency. Depending on your location or your customer's location, the common formats may vary. Some regions use commas, while others use periods or spaces. Adjust these settings to match the conventions of your target market. Finally, you can set the number of decimals. This controls how many decimal points your prices will have. Typically, 2 decimal places are used in most currencies, but you can adjust this setting based on your specific pricing requirements. And there you have it. By tweaking these settings, you can ensure that your WooCommerce store is set up with the proper currency configurations, enhancing your online shopping experience. Thanks for joining me today as we tackled getting your WooCommerce currency symbol set up just right.